about 557 pages, 495 pages report, 495 pages report, just submitted today of ethic in the name of so-called BJP majority, 90% in the parliament. They lay the report, and after that they gave half an hour time to all the parties, including BJP, to discuss the matter and to expel Maitra. I don't understand how the members will go through 495 pages within this half an hour, and how all the speakers will take a decision. Today I congratulate the Indian Alliance. All they are together. We are united. They fight back, and party fully supporting Mahua's case. She is elected by the people, and she belongs to women and young generation, and for all the community, caste, creed and everything. So how they betray, and how they betray the democracy, how they betray the democratic rights, how they betray even the self-defense of the victims. They didn't allow Mahua to take her own stand to explain her situation. Without taking any justice, you have done full injustice. They teach the people, they teach the parliament, they teach the constitution, because they are the majority. Today maybe they are in majority, but tomorrow they may not be there. We have also 2/3 majority. We can do anything. We can expel anybody from the house. But this is proper. Without the detailed case, only to expel somebody who will give the justice. We try our best that let all the parties must raise their voice, and they should get their people. Because sometimes it's a decision to suspend somebody or to expel somebody. But this case, in this particular case, I'm telling you that Mahua is a victim of the circumstances. And I strongly condemn it. Party is totally behind the Mahua, and our party will fight along with Indian Alliance together. This matter open our eyes again against the vindictive politics of BJP. It's unfortunate for the democracy. I thought the Prime Minister must have considered it. But just now I got the information, though I am not here. I am in Calcutta, I am in Russia. I'm in this. But when I got the all information, I'm shocked. It's a sad day for the Indian Parliament. After 3-4 months there will be election. So only one session is left out. On that, who can attend the public parliament in the outside of the house. It will boost up her moral image, and it will boost up her morality. She should fight it boldly. We will fight it boldly. These 2-3 months no matters. The matters is the decision. They kill the democracy. They teach the people. Within half an hour, every political party has been discussed. 2-3 minutes, 2-3 minutes, 2-3 minutes. And now they have taken a decision. And you left 495 pages. And you didn't allow even the victim to take her own stand for her self-defense. This is unfortunate. Really unfortunate. It cannot be acceptable. It is unacceptable. It is injustice. It is irreparable. And Mahua will win the battle next. And see, the people will give the befitting reply to BJP. I believe so. Politically we will fight. And people will fight. People will give the justice. I believe so. They will be defeated in the next election. It is my total conviction.